boy, hit the flow with it. Off in Jamaica, let me see your heel toe with it. Pound and crump with it, A-town stuck with it. At the set, juggalettes, let they double D's jump to this.
Vape.
See it go up and down.
Vape.
Rotate that thing. I wanna touch that thing when you make it go
Vape.
round
Vape.
and round.
Vape.
Up in the club, I'm like, who you with? See you need in the house, yeah, that's the click. Yeah, I'm young, but a nigga from the old school.
Vape.
Dance floor, nigga doing old moves. I don't give a fuck, I do what I want to do. I ain't
Vape Nation.
around you. Better listen when I talk, nigga, don't.
Hey! I hate you! Why? You're a cancer to society. My friend and I are going to stop you. Fuck you! You suck great. No, no more. It's time for your extinction. Oh, God. It cut.
Get up, John. Did it taste excellent?
Fuck you. I promise I'll never treat a lady wrong again. I won't just ask for her nudes, and I won't vape in children's faces.
Are you gonna make your trap music again? Don't make your trap music!
I'm sorry, no more eggs! Hello, my fellow peeps and crownies, and I'm here with Shaun, and after the first beginning of the video, which I know has really nothing to do with the rest, just a little skit thing, but we are going to play the Yolo Animals. There's a contest by the people who made it over on Game Jolt and all that, so this is going to be my contest entry, and we hope you enjoy, and if not, fuck off. So Shaun's never played this before, so he's gonna go in blind. Well, you've seen me play the other video.
Maybe. Right? I remember, but that was a little bit ago.
It doesn't show you the controller on that. So enter your name.
Fellow. Okay.
You spelled it wrong.
I spelled it how I wanted to spell it.
Yolo Animals.
Yolo Animals.
Look at these memes. Look at the memes.
Meme central in here.
So I guess they I read a thing. Stop. I read a thing where they I guess they updated a little bit. I don't really. Stop. I don't know what they actually updated, but
why does it say Forever Alone 0S?
Because they're memes.
Sorry.
Fresh memes.
Round one.
Stop molesting the red ball.
Okay.
Is that a dragon?
That's
ball?
a dragon.
Hello. Okay, I see. There's more clouds. Come on, Shaun, get that rocket. Press L to use it.
Okay.
Shoot him.
Am I dead?
Killed by a nuclear animals. Alright, defeat as many animals as you can. Go down and get some power-ups so we can have a beer later.
I'm empty. I'm empty.
You never picked up anything.
Oh no. I thought I could YOLO it.
Pretty good.
I'm just...
Yummy jelly.
Oh,
Good
it
job.
killed me. What?
By diabetic coma.
Get what?
Those things, so they're sparkly. L.
Mine's.
Yep. No, they're yours.
I don't want to eat things. They're scary. Oh, shut up, John. Oh, whoa.
like food. I guess you got a weird food meter. Wow. How did you not see that coming?
I don't know. I'm a failure, okay? I'm sorry.
You really are.
Okay, I'm gonna give her a kiss goodbye.
You actually gave her a kiss.
No, everything wants to kill me. I can't find food. Okay, eaten by African bee.
YOLO, dude.
Okay. See you, John. I'm gonna go.
Good. Play this game properly.
Round 2.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh.
Food. This person died. Oh, there's multiple people. No. What? What's that?
Chicken with a dynamite up its butt? I saw that.
Ooh. Shut up. What was that?
Meteor, I just hate you.
I'm having sex with it.
That's nice. I get it, you bait.
Blow a nigga doing old moves. I don't give a fuck, I do what I want to do.
We gotta do it all, cause YOLO.
Shut up! Death by spike ball. 300. New best score.
I hate you.
Try and beat it.
Round
3.
Rainbow. I'm going to rainbow. Oh, I gotta eat animals, but I want to go to the rainbow.
Oh, dead. Oh! Death by getting cut in half. Die.
Okay. That's why I got the heart.
Come on.
How am I gonna get the one up there? What was that? Smashed on the ground with a pile of bricks?
That's life, man. I mean, that's just what happens.
I guess
you never know.
It's because I kissed that stupid blob.
She's kind of a slut. Alexis, Texas.
Don't check your phone.
But I got Snapchat from Harvey.
Oh. You're so cute.
You're so cute.
Hey, let's send him a shot of us.
I'll call him a fucking faggot.
Final round.
Oh god. I'll give them orbs.
Oh, hell yeah.
You're a snail?
I don't know.
Do you jump anymore?
I killed that rabbit in the face. Oh, screw you. No, I'm taking him out.
Oh, you're a bat.
I'm tempted to go on top of the, Oh!
You get more Dragon Ball.
I feel it coming. Someone die. No! Jesus!
Oh, you're all the way back to that ladybug.
No! Stop! I'm on fire!
Ah!
I don't know what to do. Someone die. There. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on! Whoa!
Still need food. There we go. There we go. Woohoo! I'm the king. Yeah, you still need more food.
Get out of here.
Oh boy! Oh, you just ate someone.
Oh my god! Eaten by a badass penguin.
Well, at least it was badass penguin.
Yolo Animals.
It's still at the
Death.
Alright.
Well, that's
good enough. Thank you all for tuning in. And next week I should be doing some kind of makeup tutorial thing. So be sure to scope that out. You look like an embarrassment.
I feel like one. Because I'm in your house. Where's the monkey hat?
Dead.
And that was the day that we fought back. But there still is one question. Is this really the end? I'm gonna egg him right in the pussy.
Oh, that's a faggot. Oh boy. He faked.